Alright, well, there it is. Guess all those parts I was talking about being junk weren't actually junk. It's up and running, first boot. Alright, cable management, everything. The wires are just so stiff and they're short. That's why those modular power supplies, I guess, are pretty sweet to have. I know it's lighting's kind of shitty, but there it is, all put together and running. Good news. Look, I don't know if this will allow you to see it. Yep, right there. Recognize those 2 extra cores. So there you go. Half price for a quad core Phenom, 3.2 gigahertz for 89 bucks. And this frickin' I don't know, Asus has got it made. Like, I hit one button and opened 2 cores 5 minutes into this thing. Downloaded Windows. When you reboot, you hit F4, or I think it was just 4, and shut it down, start it back up, and bam, 2 more cores activated. Which means that little guy is like a dude pissing on a volcano. That's gotta go. I mean, I haven't heated anything up yet, but that dinky aluminum heatsink is gotta go. So yeah, sweet. First boot, running on the telly. I'll try to put it through some tests. I gotta get a real video card now. I have a halfway decent computer. So yeah, thanks for watching. See ya.